Aha, gotcha. All right. Okay, so I ain't getting much done as I wanted to, but I do now have my air line here on my workbench. Might adjust that a little bit, and I ran all my thin line all the way through the ceiling, through the hole there, and then back into the air compressor room. So I now have air on both sides of the wall, so that's good. Then I moved my stainless steel worktop and put it on the wall, mounted another power strip, and I think that's about all I got done. Oh, I went ahead and got all my bolts and everything inside my cabinet set up. So basically anything to repair a motorcycle, small nuts, bolts, washers, just anything I've got and have accumulated here for about 4 years. So we're making some progress. Still don't feel very good. I'm gonna end up going to the doctor here pretty soon. My urine has turned orange instead of yellow, and it could be the kidneys if I'm still leaking blood into my body. The kidneys are processing it, and yeah, so not good. But I already know what they're going to tell me. They're going to tell me not to even lift 5 pounds when I go in there, because I've had injuries in my stomach before where I've been stuck. So okay, that's about it. I'll keep you updated as we go here, but may not have some videos for a while. But I did go ahead and I bought an Aprilia finally. After I sold all my other bikes, I said that's the bike I want. I located it down in Florida, and it actually belongs to, I think he told me it was the parts manager for the Daytona Beach Harley dealership. So it's been on the dyno, and they went ahead and he pretty much maintenance it. So hopefully I don't even have to work on this thing, but stay posted because I'm out of here.